Sagutin ninyo yan.
But would it help if one would...
The right to be heard, the right to be informed. Importante yan. Constitutional provision yan. Mr. General sa military. And the right of the people to seek redress of grievance. Kayo lang ang makabigay niyan ngayon. The right of information, you protect that right and allow us to use it. And we are seeking for redress of grievance of the abuses of government